Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will unpack all the food stores bought from the last market. Remember, I promised you that in my next video I will unbox or unpack all the food ingredients one after another. So keep watching and let's dive into it, everyone. So here is our popularly known sack. Let's bring out all the ingredients one after another, and after bringing them out, I will be opening each ladle to show you what it contains. Please don't go away because you'll be surprised to see what these ladles contain. In fact, you're going to salivate when you see what is inside this very ladles. So keep watching, everyone. Don't go away. I'm sure you are curious to know what is inside the ladle. Hello, if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, because two videos, interesting videos, yummy recipes are updated every week on this very channel. Alright, and if this is your first time, don't forget to watch the video before this one to see my market video boy. Alright, so I'm trying to clear the table. Good. So first, let's see what we have in this very ladle, everyone. Do you want to know what is in that ladle? Wow, can you tell me what this is? Alright, here is the almighty Fio. The Enugu brothers, Enugu's friends. I'm sure you know what this is. Fio. Let me call it that way. Well, I don't really know the English name for that. So please, if you know the English name for Fio, please feel free to leave a comment at the comment section down below. And then number two, who knows what this is? Well, this is achicha, dry cocoyam. It goes very well with Fio, everyone. Please don't forget to give me the English name for Fio if you happen to know at the comment section down below. Well, those my Enugu friends and families, I believe you know how this combination of these two goes very well. Very healthy food. Tell me if you miss this very recipe at the comment section down below. Achicha and Fio. Alright, so our number 3 foodstuffs is dry catfish. If you've been watching my videos, I always use dry catfish a lot to make delicious yummy soups. It tastes very good. If you've not given it a try, please give it a try. Alright, so let's see what we have in the 4th ladle. So here is our 4th ladle, and it is crayfish or dried prawns. Crayfish is quite expensive now in Nigerian market, and I mentioned the prices at the last video. If you've not watched it, please make a time to watch that. So this is all the crayfish after selecting those unwanted in it. Okay, so let's go to the 5th bag. Guess. This is one of those sumptuous meal every Nigerian love. It's one of those delicious delicacies. The ingredient for it, here comes almighty Abacha, tapioca. Here is the dry Abacha for your African salad. Yes, so this is it. It's super fresh. I saw this super fresh, very fresh tapioca. So I bought 2 ladles, everyone. So this is used for making abacha. I have a link on how I prepare this African salad. Very delicious delicacy. So I'll be leaving a link at the comment section down below on how to use this to make African salad. Alright, so let's go to the next ladle. Hello, if you've watched my video up to this point, please don't forget to like, thumbs up for me. Wow, this also is another sumptuous meal. if when cooked. All right, everyone, this is blended okpa flour, or we call it Barbara flour. So this is it. In my last video, I make a video of me buying this okpa seed, and this is it after blending it. You have to blend it super smooth. If you have a good blender, good. If you don't have, try to use some local engine to make it super smooth, so that when you make your okpa, it's going to be super smooth. So let's see the last but not the least, the ladle. What is in that ladle? I'm sure you are curious to know. All right, let's find out, everyone. Okay, so here is my corn flour, good for making pap. So in my last video, I bought some corn seed, dry corn seed, and after blending it, this is what it looks like. So everyone, this is all I have in that ladle. I have curry, I have my abacha, and the rest. So in my next video, I'll be showing you how I pack this ingredient for abroad travel. So if you want to travel abroad and you're thinking of how you could pack all this without stress, watch out for my next video. I will show you how you can easily, neatly pack your food ingredients and travel with it without any stress. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share my videos to your friends and families, and also watch the ads. Thanks always, all my generous subscribers, for your wonderful support. All right, stay safe, stay connected. See you all in the next video, and bye for now.